Morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. And a couple of weeks ago, a friend of mine, Amy, I met her through social media on TikTok or YouTube because I follow her. I have never met her, but she has an Etsy store and she sells all her junk journals and all her stuff. And she also has images, and so she gave them to me. And I want to show you what she gifted me, but I wanted to give you a heads up so that you will go check out her store. But I buy junk journal kits and just squish them together and I'm done. She takes from her stash and from so many different people and makes her own idea, and wow, that's why I follow her, because it is just amazing. Her work is incredible. So let me show you her images. I did not print. She gave me like 6 different ones and I only printed like 2. So this is called Blue Quilt, and it is 6 sheets, and it is blue style. So see how pretty that is. But there's more to it. So, and her link will be down below for sure. So then this is called George Barber collection, and it's like the 30s flapper style. And I don't know how many sheets this was. I think it was like 6 or 8. And that's that kind of style. And I ran out of ink after this one, so I should have printed a little more. Um, and then this is called Vintage Documents. There are 16 sheets, but they're 8 because she gives you front and back. So there's 8 documents, and then she also gives you the back of them. So let's go through these. They're very vintage. This says 1898 on it. This one says, what date? 1893. So if you're doing a junk journal and you're looking for envelopes or images or anything to put in envelopes, this is 1892. This is just on copy paper, so however you want it to look and feel, use your own paper. This one's 1886. This is a doctor's journal payment, $1.32. These are banknotes, and it says 1881, and I don't know what that one says. It's 1892 on here, so there's that one. And then this one is what? It's a statement from 1853 or 56, and a bank statement from 1868. So, to run them on heavier cardstock, you can make it look like a real check. So there's that one. And that was called Vintage Documents. So this is vintage Christmas music, and there's 8 sheets, but I only printed 2. And this Hark the Herald Angels Sing, and Hark the Herald. Did I print the same one? I think I did. Or is it 2 different ones? Because this one's with the Hawaiian guitar and this one isn't. But there were several, but I only printed a little bit because I'm not doing a junk journal right now, but I just wanted to give a shout out to Amy. And let's see. Then she has a lot of them. Then she has age music sheets, and there's 3 different sets of them, and they're 14 in each set. And this is the first one, and they're just music sheets. That says Babyface Song, and let's see what else. The Song You Hear Everywhere, Summer Nights, and then Alone at Last. Look at the coloring on it, is beautiful. And then this one is The Last Rose of Summer. So that is 4 out of 14. Then she has part 2, and this is As Deep as the Deep Blue Sea, A Little any little girl that's nice little girl is the right little girl for me, um, for my sweetheart. So this is 3 out of 14, collection number 2. And then this collection number 3 is, how many did I print? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of collection of 14. So look at the images, are just beautiful vintage music sheets. I wonder who's kissing her now. This one I love because it's collaged, and I like that they're different size music sheets. That way, if you have a small tag, you may want to use a small sheet, and then if you have a bigger area, you want to probably use a bigger print to coordinate. So this is all the collections that I was gifted from Amy. So I hope that you go to my link and you go check her store out. If you're looking for a junk journal, trust me, she has them. And then that's the Christmas ones. And then here is the vintage sheets. She has junk journals for sale and all kind of stuff. I mean, look how pretty that sheet is. That is just gorgeous. And then she also has the blue and then the 30s kind of style. So I hope you like this. I hope that you support her. She's on TikTok, and I watch her all the time. She's on YouTube. So yeah. So okay guys, I just wanted to share that, and I wanted to say to Amy, thank you very much. You inspire me and you give me great ideas, and you want me to work harder at my craft. Have a blessed day, everybody. Her link is down below, and all my links are down below. Bye-bye.